Whoa, I think I found the best pixel art maker in the world. I'm serious, this is about to blow your mind. Before we start, drop a like. Let's shoot for 20 likes. We can do it, guys. We all know that YouTube is a popularity contest. Okay, let's talk real for a second. Photoshop for pixel art is dead. Is it? Yeah, finished. RIP Adobe. Their greed finally caught up to them. It's hard for me to accept because I used to use Photoshop in everything. But ever since they started with the AI slop, nobody asked for it. Well, it's over. Now, right now, I invite you for 2 seconds of silence to commemorate the departure of Adobe Photoshop as a pixel art editor. And moving on, because pixel art is a pixel art, just drop an absolute slam dunk. It's over. Photoshop. It's over for a lot of other pixel art editors as well. I know some people out there like to gripe about and argue about Piscal, Asprite, Pixel Studio, P Square or something. Bro, you're done. It's finished. It's over. You're cooked. Your time is gone. Pixel is the best pixel art editor on the planet, according to myself. Me being a pixel art editor, I edit pixel art on a daily basis, and I don't take it too serious. Pixel art gives you everything you need entirely for free. You want to make custom game pixel sprites? Easy. It has a full built-in animation timeline with real previews. It also lets you export sprite sheets, which is kinda awesome. Look at this workspace right here. Full of layers, dithering, custom color palettes, tolerance control. It's everything you wanted without the $20 subscription tax. Oh yeah, and get this. See this button in the corner here? You click that right here and boom, it drops a clean shortcut on your machines. Web-based app, zero download hassle, desktop access. How do you like that? This is unironically the best pixel art tool you will ever see this year. So bookmark it right now and don't forget to smack that like button. Leave a comment with what pixel editor you're using right now so you can ditch that right now. And I will see you guys in the next video. Bye now.